Today we are here in a move-in ready Richmond American home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Do not go anywhere. I'm going to be showing you guys the Sage floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to buy, move, or sell here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today is October 25th, 2025, and today we are looking at a move-in ready Richmond American home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. So right in front of me, you're going to have the Sage floor plan. This is 3,270 square feet, two-story home, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. It does have like a kind of like a next-gen suite on the first floor that has its own entry door. But yeah, this plan is going for here. So this plan is $752,950. Now, a little bit about the area. We're all the way here by Fort Apache and Blue Diamond. So all the way in the southwest corner. We're like 15-minute drive from Red Rock Canyons, about 25 minutes drive from the Las Vegas airport, as well as the Strip. Okay. The HOA here is fairly low as well. It's $73 a month. And it is a corner lot. Because it is a corner lot, you're going to have like a larger side lot. So right on this side over here, you're gonna have your gate to the side of your house. You also have your gas meter there, your electric panel right there. Now guys, remember with move-in ready homes, these are the homes that you could get the best deal on. The builders are most motivated to sell homes that are already completed. Yeah, let's take a look. So you got a nice 8-foot door. And guys, this is move-in ready. So again, if you're looking for the best deal in new construction, I definitely would go with a move-in ready. Okay, so welcome in. As soon as you walk in, this is what you see. You have like high ceilings right here, stair rails. So even if you go to right here, you can see some stair rails, which is really great. Looks like the flooring is going to be tile flooring all throughout the first floor. Okay, so looks like we got this nice texture, rounded corner edging. Baseboards look about like 4.5-inch baseboards. Here, we'll start over in this side. So this room right here is perfect for like if you live with an in-law, you have distant relatives just visiting you, or they're staying here, or you know, if you want to house hack, which is, you know, renting a part of your house out to help with your mortgage. This would definitely be a good space to do that because they have their own like they have their own sink. You have like a refrigerator right there, but also too, you have a 3/4 bath right here. Okay, walk-in shower, beautiful quartz countertop. Now you got these dark brown cabinets as well. Okay. Undermount sink, Delta faucet. Now this shower here is going to be a fiberglass shower. Okay. Now guys, if you are interested in new construction homes and you know you're thinking about going to a community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, if you're working with a realtor already, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your information. Once they have that, they're going to log you in the system as having no representation. Now, the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So very important to get yourself some representation so we could get you the best deal possible, okay? So right over here, you're gonna have your powder room. So you have your pedestal sink, okay, and then you have your toilet. You got quite a bit of room right here as well. Now, in regards to the paint, right? So I think you're gonna have the flat white finish all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. I believe you're gonna have, I believe this is like an eggshell finish. Okay, right over here, you'll have your coat closet. Welcome to the main living area. So right over here, it's pretty deep. You're gonna have your living room, as well as your kitchen, your dining room. Sorry, it's old. Oh, okay. Here, I'll take a peek at the garage. So welcome to the garage. This garage is pretty deep. It's about 23 feet deep, but you do have the tankless water heater. You do have your water softener lube. Also, it is about 9-foot ceilings up here as well. Okay, so 9-foot ceilings on the first floor, and then you'll have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor as well. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Okay, plenty of cabinet space. Looks like they did the upgrade where they extended the cabinets out. This is the quartz, as you can see. So it's really nice white quartz here. Now it looks like it doesn't have the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. But guys, if you guys are interested, I mean, move-in ready homes like this, they do accept offers. That's something I think we could definitely get for you. Okay. So we got the built-in oven, as well as a microwave. Okay, so you got the GE profile package. Okay, so it looks like we got the subway backsplash. This is gonna be your pantry right here. See plenty of room up top. You also have the built-in stovetop, which is really nice. GE dishwasher. And undermount sink right here. Okay. Nice. So plenty of windows. You're gonna allow for a lot of that natural light to come in. Okay. Good sized backyard. Let's take a look on this side here. Oh, okay. So yeah, you have because this is on a corner lot, so you actually have a decent side yard. Covered patio. So again, this one is priced at, let's see here, $752, $950. Okay, so that's gonna be where your gate is. Okay. So we'll head up to the second floor. Did I show you this? I forgot. Okay, I think I did, yep. Coat closet. Okay, so we'll head up to the second floor. So we got carpet on the stairs, and then we do have this landing step right here. So right, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms over there, a loft, another bedroom right over here. And then you also have your primary bedroom in this corner, and then this laundry room. Okay, so this is your laundry room. So the southwest area is really nice, especially we're out here in the corner. So, you know, we're going to be close by the mountains. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Plenty of space here. Oh, you guys are gonna love the primary bath. I love the primary bath in this house. So every room you're gonna have pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Okay, so welcome to the primary bathroom. So you have two different sinks. You have the nice shower right here, walk-in shower, but you also have the tub. Okay. Yeah, check that out. Beautiful tile right here. You have like the two shower spouts right there. Okay, there you got separate tubs. Nice. And then we have your toilet room all the way in the corner. And then this is gonna be your walk-in closet. So really large walk-in closet, as you can see, runs pretty deep. And you also have attic access right above. You also have your thermostat to control the temperature upstairs. And you have one that controls the temperature downstairs. It's going to be space for your linen closet. Now guys, remember it is 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. Okay, let's check out the bedrooms over here. All these bedrooms are pretty good size as well. Okay. And no lights. You do have the pre-wire for the ceiling fans. Okay, so you got your standard closet right there. Now every room also is gonna have you're gonna have a jumper duct, so that's just how air flows throughout the house. It goes out through there, and I believe it comes out through here. Okay, so you have your dual sinks, your toilet, your fiberglass shower tub combo. This is gonna be your other bedroom. So plenty of space. Every room is going to come with a smoke detector. The hallways are going to have smoke/CO2 detectors. Okay, nice loft. You have your Smurf tube right here, so you could connect your TV, hide the cords behind the wall, and it'll come out through right here. Okay, this is the last bedroom. You also have your standard closet here as well. Cool, and this is a full bath, single sink, toilet, shower tub. Okay, nice large window right there. Yeah guys, that wraps it up for the Sage floor plan, the move-in ready home. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're looking for a guide, someone to help you get the best deal on homes, you know, don't hesitate to reach out to me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.